So Facebook dating secret crush, if you just go to, dating and you tap on any profile and you tap secret crush, then how it works is that you can choose crushes from your Facebook friends or Instagram followers. So what's a secret crush in dating? A secret crush can be a Facebook friend or Instagram follower you're secretly interested in. So this is you who are interested in this person. And then they will be notified that someone added them as a secret crush in dating. If you both add each other as crushes, you will match and names will be revealed. And then how many crushes can I add? You can have up to 9 crushes at a time. You can also remove crushes at any time. So then just tap learn more. And then here, yeah, you can just see here like that. So yeah, just tap plus and then you can add it from Facebook friend or like Instagram follower. And then you can just go and add them from here. So yep, that's something like that. That's what what would you would do here. And yeah, so that's basically the idea here, how you add a secret crush, and this is a functionality. Pretty cool feature in Facebook dating. I don't know if Facebook dating is like very popular, but this feature seems to go viral sometimes. So if you receive some kind of secret crush notification, that's what it is.